If anybody's in the Colorado Springs area and they want a pre-purchase inspection, how about you contact me with my email in the description box below and have David with HMAR Mo TECH do it for you. Hey, HMAR Mo TECH here. I'm at this dealership here in Colorado Springs called Corwin Toyota, and was doing a pre-purchase inspection for a customer, and just being here with the salespeople and just the way they handle things here. One of the concessions that I found here at Corwin Toyota is they have a soda pop machine, and this is pretty amazing. I've never been to a dealer that has a soda pop machine, and wow, this is pretty cool. So I think I'll help myself, and just feel like a little bit of water today after working. I just finished doing this pre-purchase inspection on this 2019 Lexus IS 350. Did a fluid check, diagnostic check, road test, and all around the whole car inspection visual. And did this for a guy that contacted me online, and I told him I'd agree to meet him and do this today, and went well. And I told him to buy the car. If anybody's in the Colorado Springs area and they want a pre-purchase inspection, how about you contact me with my email in the description box below and have David with HMAR Mo TECH do it for you. Without anything else to show you or anything else to say, you did a good job. Subscribe, like, and share. Watch some of my other videos. Thank you for watching. I'll see you next time.